The CPI data is in, and we're going to talk about what that means for Terra Classic, Bitcoin, and the whole crypto market. All right, so first off, we got Terra Classic here. Price really starting to bottom out here, starting to really flatten out here on this support. Looks like it could be the bottom of this downtrend, and we may see it start to reverse soon. However, if we want to see a big reversal for Terra Classic, we need to see Bitcoin and the whole crypto market reverse back into a bull run. So we need to look at Bitcoin to see where this market's headed. So looking over at Bitcoin, CPI data came in this morning, and it was good news. Less inflation than expected. So we immediately saw Bitcoin shoot up to all the way up to 18,000, where we have this resistance level. Of course, as expected, we got rejected at that resistance, but a nice pump here based on this good news. And yeah, if we zoom out here, you can see we did have this big resistance level. And when we broke out of this pattern here, I said the price target was up at 18,000. Took a while to get there. We had a few weeks of just completely nothing happening, going sideways, but we eventually did reach that price target up at 18,000. So now the next pattern we need to be paying attention to is this rising channel here. So either one of two things is going to happen. Either we're going to break these resistance levels and reverse to the upside, or we're going to break down from this pattern. So if we break above 18,000, then our next level would be 19,000, of course. And that's the major resistance, is going to be 19,000. If we can break above that, then we could see a massive reversal here. So if we break above 19,000, that would be huge. And the other scenario is we could break down from this pattern, which would give us a price target all the way back down at our previous low, 15,400. So we'll see what happens. It really depends on how the Fed meeting goes tomorrow, the FOMC meeting. So the Fed will be announcing their rate hike tomorrow. So if the Fed starts to pivot, they do a smaller rate hike, they start to pivot, then we could see potentially the price continue pumping. And yeah, if the Fed actually starts to pivot and go the other way, then we could see the whole market start to reverse back into a bull market. Like if they actually start to pivot, we'll probably start going back into a bull run coming into this next year. However, if tomorrow they do another massive rate hike, then we could potentially see this pattern break to the downside, and we might dump all the way back down to 15,400. So it really depends on what the Fed does tomorrow. It's going to be very interesting, so stay tuned for that. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.